people ready with the workbook?
Yes. Yes.
So you can take the workbook. After doing some exercise in the workbook, I will ask you the tables. Okay. So you can take a workbook part 2, page number 16.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good morning. Please take a workbook part 2, page number 16. The same page I will share here. Page number 1616. All of you got the same page? Let's start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, my dear. So let's start.
Yes.
Yes. Now, please be quiet.
Page number.
Quiet. Page number 16. The same page number you can see on the screen also. The same page you can see on the screen also.
Number 16.
Page number 1616.
Got it.
Okay. So okay. We can start. Hands down. We can start. Please be quiet. I will call out the name. They will. I will try to call everyone. So please be quiet. All are good students. I know you are very. What we can say. You want to see the answer. But if all are telling the answer means it will be a mess. So please, I will call out the name. Okay. Now, multiple choice questions. You yourself, please mute your device. When I am calling out your name, you can unmute and tell me the answer. Add and write the number of objects. Now, number of cons. Number of cons. Karthik, how many cons are there? You can see as a group it is, no? 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? Or how many cons are there? 6. Option C, 6. You can put a tick mark for option C, 6. And write C inside the bracket. Now,
And
number 2.
Number in the dash.
If you want to write, you can write. No problem. Now, number 2. Number of tires. See, number of tires, not a number of cycles. One cycle having 2 tires. So, number of tires. Evelyn, what's the answer? So, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there, no? So, 9 cycles are there. One cycle having 2 tires.
Yes.
So, 9 times 2, what's the answer?
18.
18, very good. Option B, 18. Now you understood, no? When we study the tables, no? It's very easy. Now, number 3. Number of tails. Each giraffe having only 1 tail, no? Isa Maria. Here you can see 4 giraffes. So, number of tails?
4.
4. Option A, 4. Option A, 4.
Complete.
So let's move to 17.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now here,
Yes.
multiple choice questions. Refer to the picture and answer the questions given here. You can see different groups and each group having houses. Now let's see the question number 4. Sri Parvati. Now, how many groups are there in the picture? How many groups are there?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So option A, 4. Now, how many objects are there in each group? How many houses are there in each group?
3.
Each group. One group having how many houses?
3.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. So option C, 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Joanna Rostel.
It's okay. It's okay. Now I will call out the name Joanna. Okay. Now please be quiet. Now number 6. How many objects are there in total? Shri Parvati, huh? There are 4 groups, huh? And each group having 3. So 4 times 3. What's the answer? 4 into 3. 4 threes are
12.
12. Very good. Option B, 12.
Option B, 12.
Oh, very good. See,
Thanks, ma'am.
first group having 3, second group having 3, third group having 3, fourth group having 3. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12.
Thank
Now,
you, ma'am.
let's move to the number 7. Now, fill in the blanks. In repeated addition, we put the objects into dash groups to find their total. Angela, what's the answer? In repeated addition, we put the objects into dash groups to find their total. How we will put the objects in the group? Are you remembering? In repeated addition, we put the objects into
2 groups.
huh?
Same number.
Same number. What is the word for same number? Equal. Angela, you tell the correct answer. But one word is here, no? Same number means equal.
That is not Angela.
2AL. Same number is told by Angela only, no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, in repeated addition, we put the objects into equal groups to find their total. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Refer to the picture and fill in the blanks. You can see different groups and each group having some number of apples. Now, Aldrina, unmute and others, please be quiet. Aldrina, unmute and tell me and the answer. Others, please be quiet. You can take page number 18. The total number of objects in the given picture is dash. The total
16.
number. Yes, very good. See here you can see there are 4 groups, no? The first group having 4, second group having 4, third group having 4, fourth group also having 4. So 4 times 4. What's the answer, Aldrina? 4 16. Good girl. So you can write the number 16 here. Now total number of groups. How many groups are there? 4. Very good.
I don't write page number 17.
Where were you? Write the answer fast, Beba.
I'm finished. I finished.
EQUAL, equal. Let's complete 18. So 18. Complete it. Feba, complete the question answer 8 and 9.
Completed.
Okay. Now, Ryan, Adric, Thomas, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. Refer to the picture and answer the questions. See how many groups are there? Ryan, how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. Okay. Each group having how many sheep?
5.
5. Very good. Now let's move to question number 10. Write the number of sheep in each group. What's the answer? Each group having
5.
5. So we can write the number 5. Now number 11. Write the total number of sheep. So we know there are 3 groups, no? 3 groups. Each group having 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 3 into 5. What is the answer? 3 into 5?
15.
Very good. So answer is 15.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Now one more question is here. How will you read the given picture? How will you read? We know there are 3 groups. Each group having 5. So 3 into 5, 15, you already told me answer. So how we will read this? How many groups are there?
15.
How many groups are there, Ryan?
15.
Feba, please be quiet. Ryan, how many groups are there?
15.
How many groups? How
3.
many? 3. How many groups are there? 3. So we can write
3.
3 groups of 3 groups of how much sheep in each group? How many?
5.
5. So 3 groups of 5 is 15. 3 groups of 5 is 15.
8.
3 groups of 5 is 50.
Completed.
Okay. Some
I mean, complete.
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 No need to take it completed. You can do one thing. You mute your device. If you have completed number 12, you can move to number 30. Read the question and try to find out the answer. You can check with my answer after some time. No need to tell me I have completed. You can move to the next one. No need to wait for me. Alton Shibu, did you complete the answer of 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ananda Babnaban, please unmute and read the next question. Question number 13. Identify
Identify the number of
groups
in
the following picture.
in the following picture.
Count
The
number of dogs
of dogs
in each group.
each group.
Right.
The total
number of dogs in the picture. Okay, so let's write the first question. Here, the first question, identify the number of groups. How many groups are there, Ananda Babnaban?
4.
4. So we can write together. Okay, number of groups
Number
equal to 4. Now the second question you can see. Count the number of dogs in each group. How many dogs are there in each group?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 are there. So let's write the next one. Number of dogs in each group. A number of dogs in each group. That is equal to 6. Now, here one more question. Write the total number of dogs. So there are 4 groups and each group having 6. Okay. So the first group having 6, second group having 6, the third group having 6, fourth group also having 6. So 4 times 6. What's the answer? 4 times 6 or 4 into 6?
4 into 24.
4 into 6 is equal to 24. Okay, let's write the answer. Total number of dogs. Is equal to, we can write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here we are doing the repeated addition. So it's equal to 4 times 6. That is equal to 24 dogs.
Ma'am,
Yes.
dual dominant problem. Dual dominant problem.
Jomi having net problem. I will send the same pages in the group. So that time we can complete it. Okay, Jewel.
Oh my God.
Please mute your device. Number of groups, 4. Number of dogs in each group, 6. Total number of dogs. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That means 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is
Number
equal to 24. So
of
altogether, there are 24 dogs.
of dogs. The of finish. Yes, dog is equal to dog 6 plus
Huh.
complete.
Okay, students are writing. Let them
Plus
complete. Those who have completed, you can move to the next page and you can try to read the next question.
okay, ma'am. Plus 6 is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24 dogs. 24 dogs. D-O.
The same type of question, question number 14, that you can do by yourself. You can write a number of groups, a number of days in each group, total number of days.
Anthony completed.
Okay, Antonia, you can move to page number 19, question number 14, the same type of question. So what about others? Everyone completed? I can move to number 19, page number 19.
Yes. Yes, completed.
Okay, okay. Okay, Altrina, complete it.
Completed.
Those who have completed, you can move to the
And
next page.
14th question is complete.
Then you can move to next one, question number 15.
Completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, Agamya completed.
Okay, okay, good, good, very good.
Ma'am, Anthony complete 14. Dear.
Dear is also completed.
Yes.
Okay. If you are studying the table, it is very easy. We will get the answer very quickly. That's why we are telling by heart the tables.
And the question. 6
So let's move to the next one.
1. 6. Yes. Yes.
So you can take page number 18. Sorry, 19. I will anyway share all these pages in the group. Now let's move to question number 14. Daksha Radish. The others, please be quiet. Daksha Radish, please read the question. Identify the number of groups. Identify the number of groups in the given picture. I'm trying to mute you all. I said you please be quiet. Count the number of deers in each group. Calculate the total number of deer in the picture. Okay. Daksha Radish, please unmute and tell me the answer. Let's write the first question. Number of groups. Tell me.
Number of groups in the given picture.
No, how many groups are there? Number of groups. Daksha?
4.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write the number 4. Now, how many days in each group?
Number of
Daksha, number of days in each group.
each group.
Each group having how many days?
1, 2, 3.
Each group. That means one group having how much? One group having how much?
3.
3. Each group means one group having how many? Now, the next question. So here you can see there are 4 groups. Please listen. There are 4 groups and each group having 3. So the first group having 3, second group having 3, third group having 3, fourth group having 3. So how many times 3? 4 times 3. What's the answer? 4 into 3.
4 into 3 is equal to 12.
Very good. So altogether there are 12 deers. Okay, you can write the answer. Total number of deers is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Is it C? Oksana is here. Oksana. Oksana, are you present? Oksana, are you present? Oksana is absent.
Ma'am Antonio, get deers 12.
Very good. So you can move to question number 15.
Yes. Good to. Ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Ma'am. The question. Ma'am.
Yes, Giovanna.
Yes. Joanna Joshi completed 15 and 16.
Very good. Very good.
Completed 15.
Now, please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Ma'am.
One
How
at a
many
time, please.
wings do the birds have?
See, I am Badra is here. Badra.
Also.
No. Badra is absent.
Ma'am. 3 birds. Ma'am, Antonio, finish.
Okay, Antonio.
Do the birds have?
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. I just unmute all. You are all are talking, so I am mute you. Number of groups 4. Number of deers in each group 3. Total number of deers 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Let's move to number 15.
Yes. 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 No. Yes.
Now, okay, now please be quiet. Okay, Nahana, please complete it.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah,
I finished at 15 and 16.
okay, very good. Nahana, please complete it.
And Joanna, she now completed 17 also.
Oh, yes, very good.
And Antonio also. And Antonio also. That. Lions.
Nahana Sajil, did you complete?
Yes. Ma'am, last sentence.
Ah, okay, okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, Nahana, please write.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Question number 15. Rajesh has 3 birds. How many wings do the birds have altogether? Wings. See, you can see one bird having how many wings, Elvin? How many wings? 2. So there are 3 birds now. Let's see. See, the first bird having 2, second bird having 2, third bird having 2. So how many times 2?
Six.
How many times 2?
6.
How many times? 3 times.
3
Times 2. What's the answer? 3 times 2?
6.
6.
6.
Okay. 6.
3 plus
3 into 2
3
is equal to 6.
is equal to 3.
3 into 2 is equal to 6 wings.
Completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed. Completed.
Now, please be quiet. Those who have completed, please be quiet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, number 16. A square has how many corners?
4.
4 corners. Yes, a square has 4 corners. How many corners do 5 squares have altogether? So, another problem. Sit properly.
20.
Yes. So, the first square having 4, plus second square having 4, third square having 4, fourth square having 4, fifth square is also having 4. So, how many times 4?
20.
How many times 4?
5.
5. So I'm writing here. Otherwise, you can. I will write here. After this line, you can write this. 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4 or 5 times 4? 20. So 20 corners. 5 into 4 is equal to 20.
Complete.
Okay. Then we can move to question number 17 and try to do the question number 17.
1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete.
Some students are still writing. Let them complete. Then we can move to the next.
Complete.
Let's do the question of 17. Then we can, the remaining questions we can do it in the next class tomorrow. Okay. The problem 5 into 4
Finish.
equal to 20.
20 corners.
20 corners. Corners spelling CORNERS. From the question itself, we can write the corner spelling. CORNERS. Now, okay, let's move to the page number 20. Let's move to question number 17. There are 6 lines. How many legs do the lines have all together? See, one line having how many legs? 4. So there are 6 lines. That's the first line having 4, second line 4, third line 4, fourth line 4, fifth line 4, sixth line 4. So how many times 4? 6 times 4. What's the answer? 6 into 4?
34.
Eh? 24. So 24 legs. Legs. Question number 18 onwards, we will do it in the next class. Okay? Tomorrow. Let's complete tomorrow.
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus equals 24. 4 equals 24 plus 4 plus 4 plus.
Ayan, tell me the table of 2. Ayan, tell me the table of 2. Ayan, tell me the table of 2. Others, please be quiet.
4.
1 into 2. Ayan.
24. Completed.
1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2. 4 into 2.
4 into 2, 8.
5 into 2.
10.
6 into 2.
12.
7 into 2.
14.
8 into 2. 8 into 2.
16.
9 into 2.
18.
10 into 2.
20.
Okay. Now,
Angela completed.
Angela, tell me the table of 3. I'm going to stop share. Share, I am stopping. Okay, now please tell me the table of 3. Angela.
1 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 5 into 3 is equal to 12.
5 into 3.
5 into
Look at
3
me
is
and tell
equal to
5 into 3,
15.
15.
6 into 3 is equal to 18.
Look at me and tell 7 into 3.
7 into 3 is equal to 21. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 10 into 3 is equal to 30.
Okay, okay. Now all of you please listen. Listen. Karthik, I will ask you. Let me
Thank
tell
you,
one
ma'am.
thing. See, I am giving you one activity. What is activity? You know, you have to take 1/4 of a chart. Not a half. It's a half. 1/4 of a chart. And in that chart, you can write the heading multiplication tables and all the tables. Table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, table of 6. All the tables you have to write in that chart. Okay. And
Only
you have to show on Wednesday. Coming Wednesday only. Understood? You have enough time. Coming Wednesday, you have to show me. A4 sheet not me, my dear, because now if you're writing A4 sheet, you can't see. Better you can take a 1/4 of a chart. Please listen, let me complete it. And after that, you have to paste that chart on the wall. In your study room, on the wall, you can paste. So you can revise every day the tables. Understood? Even one time you will revise the table. So once again,
table of 1 to 6.
Table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, table of 6. So 1/4 of a chart you can take write all the tables on the chart. Wednesday, you have to show me. After showing, you can paste the same on the wall of your study room. Then every day you can revise it. Okay.
Yes.
So the remaining or exercise we will complete in the next class. You can, if you want to do, you can continue, no problem. And we will discuss next class. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.